Hello, same Wednesday, yeah? Let's do 1 hour workflow, yeah? Because you think on the shop you have only nice jobs, motherboards, MOSFETs, No. So we have 1 hour. Sorry, you can't see the watch. We have 1 hour because after that Diana will leave the shop and I can't do nothing after Diana is going, yeah? So let's start doing some jobs. Nice jobs? No, we don't have nothing. We don't have motherboards. You know what we have? And you can choose. We have digitizers, we have charging ports, we have testing things. So what do you want? With what do you want to start? Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, the job was booked in like battery, yeah? What is doing? I don't think it's the battery, but anyway. This is a Hoodle 2 tablet, yeah? Plug the charger, check on the charging port, around 400 milliamps, but no picture. So I don't think it's the battery like I was booked in this job. Okay. Yeah, have a nice lunch. Yeah. So we have to fix these things. Yeah. It's a good idea to see how it's the shop working flow and what we expect if you want to open your shop and how is supposed to work to make some money. Because if you spend 1 hour for a charging port, it's not really a good idea. Yeah, it's open. Yeah. I will take out the battery. I want to reset the board. Maybe the board is frozen. I'll plug the battery back. I will check the battery now, yeah? Let's check the battery. Minus plus, and we have 3 volts. It's a little bit too low. And that can explain why we have only 400 milliamps. But anyway, minus plus, let's charge the battery quickly, yeah? 2.2 amps. That's fine, 2.2 amps. Okay. Let's plug the charger. See, the charging current goes up. Where is the charging port? Oh, it's here. Same charging current. Should be like over 1 amp. I don't understand why it's so low. But let's put more power on the battery. Yeah, it's changed. You see? 1.8 amps. I just help a little bit the battery. And the charging current is 1.8. But yeah, we have red light here. But no picture on the screen. Oh yeah, we have picture on the screen. So actually it's no issue here. It's just a low battery. That means something wrong with the customer charger, yeah? Yeah, it is working even without charger. Okay, we was lucky this time. But this is luck. Oh, who knows, maybe the tablet was frozen and when we took the battery out and plugged the battery back, well, who knows. Important is it's working. Obviously we'll call the customer, we'll ask the customer to come with the charger and we'll check same like with the USB power meter to see exactly how much power is going inside of the tablet, yeah? But this was an easy one. So what it's doing, it's coming on, it's charging. I have these things before, and what did I? Okay, I just left it on charge. I don't remember. I think I have a video with Huddle 2 with this sign, but I don't remember what I done on that one. No, I don't remember. But we'll watch on the video. But no, it's not faulty. It's not faulty. I'm sure it's fine. I'll leave it on charge, yeah? Let's go on the next job. Let's go on the next job. I'll leave it there on charge. Next one. Okay. Acer tablet. Charging port. Let's see if it's a charging port, yeah? Yeah, well, how can I see if I have the charger plugged on that one? Yeah, I'll plug different charger on the tablet. 1 second, 1 second. Okay. Let's see what it's doing. So it's taking 470 milliamps, but it's not displaying nothing. The charging port is, look, but it's charging. We can see there 470. Sorry. Again, 470 is not normal. Or it is if you have a low battery. Very low battery. But let's see on this one. And also we have no picture on the screen. Let's see this one. What kind of voltage we have on the battery? Okay, let's check the battery. Okay. 3.6. With 3.6 this tablet should be on, and it's not. So let me reset this tablet. Let me take out the battery. Yeah. Yeah, the charging port is dodgy, but it's still okay. Look at the charging port, you see? These things should be here, close together. We can solder that bit. It's not a good idea, but it's okay. Let's see again. Plug the battery. Plug the charger. And it's still nothing. Oh, and we have the battery sign. So this was a frozen tablet. Well, look there, 1 amp. 1 amp. So this was a frozen tablet. You see, that's why I took the battery out. Yeah? That's why. You got the point, yeah? So the board was frozen. Oh, when it's frozen, it's not displaying. It's not even charging properly. Look now, 1.1 amp. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do something with the charging port because it's dodgy. Yeah, looks fine. Looks fine. Yeah, look what we have inside of the charging port. Ah, I couldn't see. Ah, sorry. This was here inside. Okay, let's solder that bit. Perfect. Now the charging port will be tight. Oh, like new. I can't even go inside with the charging port, with the charging cable. It's so tight. Yeah, it's like new. Let's see if it's charging. No, it's not moving around by itself. 1.2 amps, yeah? That's great. Let's see if it's coming on. We have the charging sign. I just want to see the tablet on. Yeah, Android, Acer. Perfect. Yeah, like new. Like new. Yeah, 1.2 amps. That means it's great. It's fantastic. By the way, this is a Acer and it's no model. It's a serial number but no model, so I have no idea what kind of Acer tablet is this. But it's charging fine and it's working fine, yeah? No idea what tablet is. We can see on the menu. Menu. Should be like some about. No, it's not. Okay, it is. About tablet. Model number B3-A20. If that's the model number. Well, maybe, who knows. But charging fine, it's working fine, yeah? Power off, power off. That's done, yeah? This is fixed. Let's go next, yeah? iPhone 6. Check and cool, no power testing, yeah? Let's check. Charger 6 milliamps. Okay, that's not normal. I will never charge with this kind of, you know. Let's see. Charging port, charging, I see. Battery, what can be here? Okay, the phone is looking good, no sign of liquid damage, yeah? Let's take out this. And we shall see I increase on the current when I take the battery out. And it's not. Okay, that's weird. Let's check the battery. Let's check the battery. Battery 0 volts. Nothing. 0. Okay, let's check the board for short. I'll take the power supply. Minus and plus. No, this is ground. This is plus. This is plus. And it's fine. It's not short. Let's charge the battery a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. To get the battery out from that dead point where the battery it is right now, yeah? The battery is taking 2.2 amps, you can see there. 2.2, let's check the voltage on the battery now, yeah? And we have 3.2 volts. 3.2 is like a very dead battery, very discharged one, yeah? But now the phone should be charging fine, yeah? Now the phone should be fine, and it is fine. Look, 1.1 amps. You can see there. And we have the charging sign on the screen. 1.1. That means it's like new. Yeah, the battery is fine, everything is fine. But yeah, if the battery goes low, yeah, you know what is mean a low battery? Low batteries mean 3.6 volts. Maybe 3.5. That's the moment when the phone says 0% of the battery, yeah? Now, if you don't charge the battery long time, the voltage will go down. 3.4, 3.3, 3.2, 3.1, 3 volts, and around 3 volts, the electronics will cut down the battery, yeah, just to prevent the battery discharging more, yeah. The phone is coming on, but how the battery get the voltage so quick? Let's see how many percent are here. 2%. That means the battery is fine. But when it's coming on with like 10%, yeah, that's not good. But it's fine. Yeah, we can see on the USB 1.5 amps, 1.4. That means it's like new. Yeah, no issue here. No problems. Okay. Everything is fine. Okay, let's go on different job. Let me shut down this phone because this is fine. Okay. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, we have a tablet. Charging port, testing, things like that, yeah? Let's see what this is doing. USB power meter, we have 0, 1.6 amp, 1.6, and it's fine. Listen to me, yeah? Most of the people, this is it's probably most of the people, that's the right word, yeah? If the cable, the charging cable get broken, you think they will go to Samsung to buy another cable? How many people you think will do something like that? Few. And I'm one of them, you know. When my Apple charger charging cable got broken, I ordered another one from Apple. No, you can't trust in these days. No. And yeah, I have expectation, you know. I want when I plug my iPhone to see 2 amps there. And that you can get probably only with the original one, with the genuine one. Or what is on eBay is the Belkin cables are fantastic, yeah, same. And the Remax, but the Remax they carry 2 amps, but you can't use them for a long time, yeah. I still have here a Remax cable somewhere. Are good, but not for a long time. So actually like 3 months, and that's them life, yeah. So that's what the customer done. He has a broken cable. He go on a pawn shop because no, they will not pay £5 here for a 2 amps cable. We have 2 amps. We are selling the cables like this one. They carry 2 amps, but it's £5. No, they will not pay £5 for a cable. They go to the pawn shop and they will buy with £1. And after that, they come here. Oh, I think my charging port is broken. I think my battery died. But look on the top, 1.6 amps. That's what you can wish more. 1.6 amps is like new. You understand the idea? Yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened. Or if the plug, you know, the plug get broken, you think they'll go buy original? No. You think they will buy from me? Not from me, from this shop with £10 the adapter, the 2 amps one? No. No, they'll buy from pawn shop. Or if not from pawn shop, probably they'll buy from eBay with £2, something like that. You know, it's a copy. This case is the same, but it's a copy. Okay, so this is fine. Another waste of time job. It's charging fine, so yeah, the customer has an issue, and you know what he'll do now? He'll come. Trust me, I know this from everyday things. You know, I know. So he'll come, and I will tell him the problem, or I will test his cable, yeah, his adapter, and I will find a faulty cable, yeah. And if I'll tell you, look, I have the cable £5. No, he'll say no. He'll go on another pawn shop to buy another cable from different pawn shop. Because I know. And on the end, he'll come back and say, look, it's still not charging. You lie me. You said you tested. And then on that point, I will explain him again. Just buy a cable from us, and it's charging fine. Yeah, that's how the things works. Most of the times. Yeah. I know. The people think we are some kind of crook because we are selling the cable with £5 and the pawn shop they are selling the cables with £1. And actually the Apple are selling the cable with £25. Yeah, you get what you pay for. Okay, next job. Next job. Okay, hopefully this will not be same a disappointment. Charging board, yeah, Samsung again. And this charge 1.6. I can't believe. No, this is sick. You know, this is real. You know, this is a shop. You know, I don't make up the jobs. You know, same story, you know, so I will not repeat myself. Same story like the other tablet, yeah. So it's charging fine, yeah. 1.4 amps, 1.5 nearly. Everything is fine, no issue. But the tablet comes like faulty charging port. Yeah, same story. Hmm? Okay, let's find another job. Maybe we can find a proper one. But this is fine, yeah, no issue. These you see even this one comes today 6 December, yeah. You can see around 11 o'clock, yeah. Okay, let's try to find another one. Let's see. Even this will be a disappointment. Charging port. Yeah, this comes from the other shop. Our other shop, yeah. And the charging port looks good. Let's check. No, it's impossible. No, this is impossible. This is impossible. This is crazy. 900 milliamps. Nearly 1 amp. That means it's fine. And it's a shop is supposed they to test these things. It's from 1 December. What can I say? Okay, let's try to find another one, a good one. Yeah, I think we are sick with the charging ports. No, not yet, not yet. Oh no, no, this is our job. It's still just same charging port, but it's not important. What do you prefer? A screen and digitizer or iPad digitizer? Okay. What about this? Digitizer, yeah? It's iPad free, yeah? Yeah, it's working. But the digitizer is gone. And looks like was replaced before. Because it's coming out by itself. Just be careful on the Wi-Fi antenna. Here you have the Wi-Fi antenna. You should be very careful there, yeah? Okay, maybe I was wrong. But maybe it's genuine one. No, it's not. Or maybe. No. No, someone replaced it before. Yeah, I should heat up the iPad. But that will be long. Yeah? Yeah, Fari, 3-0. Okay, you can actually see what I'm doing. Yeah, I should hit up this thing. I know, I know. I know. This is not genuine. But they stick it with something. Some kind of super glue or something like that. Which is wrong. You know what? We can go with 180, 190, 190. Yeah. So you understand this is the shop kind of work. Not only motherboards or nice things like, you know. Charging IC, touch IC. Yeah, nice jobs. Yeah. No, most of the time are boring jobs. And these things playing with glass, you know, I hate this thing. Again, be careful on the Wi-Fi antenna. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can take out the digitizer. How long do you think you have to do an iPad? No one like it tell me how quick I should do a job. You know, it's I try to do this as soon as possible, quick. I think I'll finish this and I'll go and I'll have a real cigarette. Crack. Now will be a big rock. Maybe. Maybe not. That's sick. If you replace this digitizer, don't put a sticky thing on the screen. This digitizer, look at the screen, how it's bending the screen. So this was stuck, look, everywhere, on the frame, on the screen, everywhere. Don't stick it on the screen. Yeah. Who knows, maybe one of the subscribers done this job. Maybe he can hear me. Okay, let's take the screen out. And after that we can clean the frame. Yeah, the screen is out. Let's take the digitizer. The digitizer is out. Let's clean the frame, yeah? Because if you have a tiny piece of glass on the frame, your new digitizer will get cracked. When you'll press, you'll get cracked. Okay. Let's see this. That's good. Okay, let me grab another digitizer, yeah? Everything is fine. iPad 3 black. Okay. So we don't have the digitizer. YG Sundana is a shop 3 doors down, yeah? Yeah. We are helping each other, you know? They need to fix something, or if we need a screen, or things like that. Yeah, many times will happen to run out the things. Like now, we don't have this digitizer, so you have to borrow one from another shop. Yeah. Another rule: if you don't touch the screen, you don't have to clean it. And if you think the cleaning the screen is a easy thing, we are using a special things, or you see, this is special because these don't leave trails on the screens. Yeah. Okay, let's wait for Diana. No? Only white. Okay. So I can't do this job. I have to stop because no one has the digitizer. What? Okay, the screen is dodgy. I broken the screen? Maybe. Really? Who stuck the digitizer on the screen? Huh? Yeah, that's gone. That's gone. Let's see this one. Yeah, that's good. Yeah? So who? You see, bad things can happen, like this one. I don't even know if it's my fault. I haven't looked properly before. But that's why it's a bad idea to use the sticky band on the screen, yeah? Okay? Yeah, I'll stop now. I'll go to have a cigarette. But you got the point, yeah? Sometimes bad things happen. When bad things happen, just be sure you are covered. How you can be covered? Easy. Let's say for this job, you ask for you ask like 10 pounds, yeah? Let's say 10 pounds. No, this is like 50, but let's say 10 pounds, yeah? On your mind, yeah? I need for each job to get 1 pound more and save that 1 pound when bad things happen. And you'll ask for 11 pound. You don't have to put actually the money on one side. Just keep in mind, yeah? When you make the price, yeah? Just be sure if something happen, you'll be covered, yeah? Like on this case. Lucky case, we have the screen. But if you don't have the screen, you have to buy the screen. Yeah? I'll stop now. Thank you for watching. I don't have the digitizer. Probably tomorrow I will put this all back together. And see you probably tomorrow, yeah? Bye.